Hello and welcome to another new episode, and this episode is for 9th standard students SSC 9th standard SSC student English subject. And today I'm going to explain you the first poem, that is Life, 9th standard life poem. I will explain you stanza by stanza. Okay, in stanza 1 the poet begin with the word life, which is the title of the poem. It emphasizes the fact that poem is all about the life. According to the poet, we should believe that life is not a dream, so dark says sages say. It means the life is not as bad as most of the people believe and say. Often a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. The term morning rain is a metaphor which symbolizes sorrow and despair. The line means that despair is often a way to joy and happiness, like morning rain which leads to a pleasant day. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient, which means these are sorrows and grief in the life of the human being, but they are not permanent. They are always temporary and short lived. In the final line of the first stanza, the poet raises a rhetorical question: if the shower will make the roses bloom, oh, why lament it falls? It means that if rain can make the rose bloom, then why should we mourn over its fall? In other words, sorrow lead to happiness and should not be lamented. Stanza second. The stanza 2 consists of 4 lines. According to the poet, life's sunny hour flit by, which means life is moving ahead very fast, and thus instead of lamenting the sorrow and grief, one should gratefully and cheerily enjoy those fast flying moments of life. Stanza 3. In the third stanza, the poem says in a rhetoric way that though the death may take away our life during our best time, that is the most enjoyable time, or the sorrows take over our hope, we should never lose the will and determination, because hope has elastic springs. It means that the hope in elastic, and like the spring season, it can be bent by sorrows or but cannot be broken completely. It retain itself after the cloud of gloom go away. In the next line, the poet brings in herself and says that though the sorrows and grief have bent her down on her hopes, she still has her golden wings, which are capable of being flying even after griefs bend down. She can bear all the hurdles of life as she is manful, that is strong and fearless. And on the day of judgment, as believed in the Christianity, her courage will make her victorious. Thus the poem ends with a strong will, hope and determination that good will ultimately comes to her. In conclusion, we can see the example of rain is the symbol of despair in the first stanza. Here the poet asks us to see its bright side. In the second stanza, she asks us to enjoy the fast running moment of life, and in the third stanza, she becomes optimistic about being courageous even after death. So, a very good poem written by Charlotte Bronte, and this was the explanation or the summary of the poem. So, I have explained you the first poem, and in the next lecture, I will say some grammatical element of the poem and some more fact about this poem. So, till then, subscribe this channel, share the video with all your 9th standard friend, and if you like this video, hit the like button. If there are any doubt, there is a comment section, you can ask me in the comment.